Hello, y'all. All right, so we have chia seed. We have oats. And we have filtered water, a clean jar, and milk kefir. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to add a little bit of filtered water. We're gonna add some of the whey from the milk kefir to be used as a starter. We're going to add the chia seeds, the oats, mix everything together, and we are going to ferment the oats and the chia seed. Fermenting is the best way to wake up good stuff, because so many things out there have no nutrients whatsoever. So now we're going to ferment it to get some good probiotics. All right. And I'm also going to, after it's ready, I'm going to mix with a little bit of inulin powder, which is a prebiotic, because it's important to consume probiotics, but prebiotics also, it is extremely important because the prebiotics are the food for the probiotics. All right, then I'll see you in a few. So we started with a cup of filtered water, then about 2 tablespoons of the milk kefir, the whey from the milk kefir or kefir. And I added 5 tablespoons of chia and some, oats. I'm going to add more water. You don't want it to be, because remember the chia is going to absorb liquid. So basically that's it. We're just gonna mix it completely, then add a fermentation lid, or you could do a towel paper or with a rubber band on top. I have fermentation lid, so then I will use a fermentation lid. I will add more water because chia is going to absorb liquid, and also the oats. And then that's it. Put it, I usually put my fermentation jars in the sink just in case they start bubbling up. And you use it at the level that you are comfortable, because it's fermentation, so it's going towards sourness. It's going to be tangy, so it's up to where you want it. When it comes to oats, I prefer it to be real sour. Well, not real sour, but sour enough. Since I use the whey of a very sour kefir, is going to ferment real quick. All right then, so I'll show it to you when it's ready at the level that I like it. Have a blessed day. All right, here you have it. Fermentation lid showing, so I put August 10, and that's the mixture. I mixed it several times. The water, filtered water, oatmeal, and chia seeds, and milk kefir whey. All right, so obviously with fermentation, you have to be very careful with what could develop on top of the liquid. So something like this, we have to mix every day until it gets to the level of tautness that we want. All right then, have a blessed day. This fermentation lid will technically allow the excess of liquid when things are fermenting and bubbling to come out of the middle section, just like this one. There is a slit, and when it gets the pressure of fermentation, will make this like bubbly. I mean, they will make it like popping out. It could actually explode. You have to be careful with fermentation. Ask me how I know. And so it will do its thing, and any excess liquid, when it starts bubbling, it will come out. And with fermentation, you have to check things every day. So if there's a lot of liquid out, most likely it would need additional water inside. So you just open, you mix, and you add water if necessary until everything is fermented and gets to the tartness that you want. And that's it. Have a blessed day. You know, my motto is we don't know until we try. So I was thinking that I have hemp seeds, which I usually add to salads and on top of avocados and stuff like that. I was just wondering if that would go well with this. So I checked online and it actually says it's a good thing to put them together. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hemp seed to this mixture and let them ferment for 2-3 days. All right then. Have a blessed day.